Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 2nd of August 2022 and here we are again back to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So before moving ahead, whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Now coming back to the market, we are on Nifty August future. We'll shift to 3 minutes time frame as we are focusing more on intraday. So what happened? Looking at the global cues, as expected, we had a gap up or a flat. You can see most of the day gap down. Sorry, I mean to say gap down. The previous closing was at 17,613, and it opened around somewhere this level, which is 17,344, and from there it went suddenly downwards, and then from it took a little bit of resistance, went to a little bit of support, and then went up approximately, you can see 50 points it went up, and from 50 points it fell downwards. So from there downwards it went to 1350. From 1350 it has touched the lower pivot level, which is 17,043, which is around 100 points downwards up move, and then from there again it made up move little bit and then took a little bit of support above this pivot level, and then again came back. From there again it recovered really well after 1230. From there it went approximately 17,420, but from there at the end the markets went negative to the downwards, closing below 17,320 and closing the market here. Right now the time I am recording this video, Dow Jones is trading lower at 32,701, which is again a bad thing. It indicates that the markets tomorrow going to open on a negative side, which would be a flat or a gap down. With my perspective, I am expecting a little bit of gap down tomorrow. Now coming back to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was a very volatile today. That's what I felt. Uh, if we see again in the bank nifty, we had a gap down. So the markets were closed at 37,929 ish, and then from there uh, it opened it opened around 37,851. Our entry was some, and then it went up from there. Our entry was here at somewhere at this point, and this was a short sell, and from there it went downwards, then up, came back, exit at this point, somewhere around this point, and then from there it went back up. From there around it recovered, that's the pivot level, took a little bit of support, went up again, which is again a good sign, but the volumes were downwards. The markets were indicating that they are just going higher to continue the downtrend movement, as we have US, Taiwan, and China tension going on in the global chaos. We do not know what is going to happen when. So let us be prepared. Let us not carry any overnight positions and be cautious with our trades. See, when touching the pivot level from 1140 to around 1240, it has hovered around sideways market. From there, gave a quick gap down and then quick recovery. This is very volatile. You see, down, up, again from there down, which is a very volatile market. It has took a lot of stop losses. We can see a lot of targets have been hit. A lot of people have been might have been trapped. So let us just trade carefully and see. So that is what has happened today. Let's be again cautious, and we'll see whatever's happened. Also the time I'm again recording this video, S&P 500 is also trading at around 14,000 levelish. Sorry, I mean 4,000 level, which is again good thing. S&P 500 is up by zero point 0.2, but the Dow Jones seems to be down, which is at 32,235. Well, that's it from my side today. Thank you so much, everyone, for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode.